Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell, because we're diving deep into the biggest market movers every week to help you make smarter investment decisions. Last week, we talked Microsoft, and the response was incredible. Today, we're tackling another tech titan that's on everyone's mind. Google, or rather, Alphabet stock, GOOG. It's been a roller coaster, hasn't it? From incredible highs to some recent turbulence, investors are asking, what's next for Google? Is now the time to buy, sell, or hold? Let's be honest, the broader market has been a little skittish lately. Inflation, interest rate hikes, geopolitical tensions. It feels like there's a new headline every day trying to shake our confidence. And in times like these, I always think about one of my favorite quotes from the Oracle of Omaha himself, Warren Buffett. Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. Think about that for a moment. Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. What does that mean for Google stock, and for the US stock market as a whole, right now? It's hard to argue that the market isn't showing some fear. We've seen significant pullbacks in tech, and while Google is a powerhouse, it's not immune to these broader market corrections. Valuations have come down from their peak, and some investors are definitely feeling that fear factor. But here's the crucial question. Is this fear justified for a company like Alphabet? Or, applying Buffett's wisdom, could this be an opportunity for us to be a little greedy? Let's break down Google's core business. We're talking about a company that dominates search, has a massive advertising empire, a booming cloud business with Google Cloud, and incredible innovation in areas like AI, Waymo, and more. If you want to know why Buffett might be looking closely at this, you have to look at the sheer scale of the machine. Alphabet didn't just have a good year, they had a historic one. For the first time ever, annual revenues crossed the $400 billion mark. But here is the number that really stopped the market in its tracks. Google Cloud grew a staggering 48% last quarter, hitting a run rate of over $70 billion. This isn't just a search engine anymore. It's the back end for the AI revolution. However, where there is greed, there is also caution. Alphabet announced a massive increase in capital expenditure. We're talking $175 million to $185 billion in 2026 alone. Most of that is going into AI chips and data centers. Some investors panicked at that price tag, worrying about free cash flow compression. But CDO Sundar Pichai's response? He said they are planning for the long term. Basically, they are building the digital roads that everyone else will have to drive on. So is the market being too fearful of that spending? Let's look at the consensus. Right now, Alphabet carries a strong buy rating from over 85% of analysts. Here is the breakdown. The average price target is sitting around $380, which implies a healthy upside from current levels. Why are they so bullish? Because even at a $4 trillion market cap, Google is trading at less than 30 times forward earnings. Compare that to the rest of the Magnificent Seven, and Google actually looks like the value play of the group. Analysts from Citi are calling it a top internet pick, especially with the Gemini 3 integration, now reaching over 750 million monthly active users. The market might be panicking about the cost, but the greedy play here, according to the numbers, is betting on the company that owns the most valuable data on Earth. Coming back to Buffett's wisdom, the current panic over Google spending might be the exact opportunity the greedy investor is looking for. When the crowd worries about next month's expenses, the long-term winners are looking at next decade's dominance. So, are you buying the dip, or are you waiting for more clarity? Drop a comment below with buy or wait. I read every single one. And if you found this breakdown helpful, do me a favor and smash that like button. It tells the algorithm we're doing something right here. Until next time, keep your eyes on the numbers and your head in the game. And I'll see you in the next video.